Alright, it's finally here. We got some celebrations. Alright, so we've got our 25th anniversary celebrations packs. We've got 10 of these. But we've also got a Gold Star Greninja. Very nice. Which we'll leave in that for now. And we've got some other packs. We've got some Chilling Reign, a couple of Darkness Ablaze, Battle Styles and Vivid Voltage. So I'm going to go like that. Doing that order. We'll do these ones first, and then these ones. Because these are where the good ones really are. So I've got a massive pile of sleeves today because pretty much every card in the celebrations is a holo. Even if they are only 4 cards big, they're worth it. Put that down there. Get rid of that, just don't want to see it. Metal Energy, Rugged Helmet, Crabominable, Doctor, Sobble, Bound Sweet, Furfru, Diglett, Larvesta, Single Strike Urshifu Reverse Hollow, and a Malamar non-hollow. So we don't care about those. Chilling Reign let us down. Onto Battle Styles. Battle Styles I don't think is much better than Chilling Reign. I feel like the Sword and Shield ones are kind of going down a little bit in value. Especially when they don't open. One, two, three, four. We have a Grass Energy, a Phoebe, Heatmore, Escape Rope, Scatterbug, Hornage, Gligar, Electabuzz, Bellsprout, Reverse Hollow Galarian Mr. Rhyme, and a Galarian Slowbro. Again, disappointing. That's to be expected nowadays, especially on this channel. Onto the Darkness Ablaze. We do like Darkness Ablaze. I always have done. Can we get something good here? I don't know. I think that was a green code. I saw the link on the thing. We have a Fighting Energy, Pupitar, Corvisquire, Hiding Energy, Larvesta, Moralul, Toxel, Skitty, Rowlet, Reverse Hollow Snubble, and a Leopard. This video is not starting off well. That can only mean one thing, is that it's going to end well. I didn't see that, I did not see that. Fire Energy, it's a good start. Old PC, Ursaring, Heat Energy, Dino, Persimmon, Bunnelby, Vanillite, Gothita, Reverse Hollow Wishy-Washy, and we finally have a holo, a Suicune. I don't know why I said that in a Scottish accent, but yeah, there we are. Suicune, however you want to say that, I don't know. Everyone says everything different nowadays. And onto the Vivid Voltage. Can I get a Fat Pikachu in this one pack? Probably not. Let's be honest. Odds are it's going to be a non-hollow. Metal Energy again. Kakuna, Moo Cheese, Sableye, Whismur, Drillbur, Wailmer, Cottony, Clobberpuss, Reverse Hollow Nessa, and an Executor. So we've got one hollow in 5 packs. How disappointing is that? Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Greninja into a sleeve, I think. I'm going to open it and put it in a sleeve. Please don't be an arse, just open it properly. There we go, there we go, there we go. Do not want to be ruining this card, because it's a gold star, you know. Right, onto the celebrations. What we want here is the Mighty Charizard. What? The Mighty Charizard from base set. or we want the shiny Mew, the gold shiny Mew, or an Umbreon Gold Star. That would be great. Keep hitting the camera. Need to stop doing that. Gotta be careful with these packs because there's only 4 cards in here. Do not want to ruin any of these cards. However, we'll start things off with a Kyogre. I'm loving it. So we have a, get rid of the code card. Oh. We have a Kyogre. A Dialga. A base set Venusaur. And a Surfing Pikachu. We have a base set Venusaur. And a Surfing Pikachu. I'm gonna put the other ones to the side. No, screw it. We'll sleeve. I'm not gonna do this for the entire video. We'll do it for these 2. And then it will only sleeve the big pulls. Right, put these off to the side. Right. First pack, and we got a base set Venusaur. Is that a sign of things to come? Can I get the base set Charizard? Oh, I fucking hope so. Get rid of that code card. It doesn't matter. Lugia. Xerneas. Rockets Zapdos. What? And a Solgaleo. We're going to sleeve the Rockets Zapdos. Put that there with the Venusaur. Oh my god. This is going to be a good day. I can feel it. See, if I see an orange card, like, just like that, I'm going to like instantly lose it, because I'm like, oh, Charizard. I can't speak today, Charizard. I keep trying to do it my way, like saying the Charizard, but we have a Ho-Oh, another Xerneas, an Yveltal, and a Flying Pikachu VMAX. What is occurring today? Get that in a sleeve. Can I get all of the Pikachus? Because I know that they have done the base set Pikachu as a full art. That would be sick. I can get every Pikachu. Okay, get rid of this. And that. Okay, we have a Cosmog. An Yveltal again. Dialga. We have the base set Pikachu. Holy shit. We have the base set full art Pikachu. Borders are a little bit off, but that is okay. Wow. We are Pikachu's galore right now. Come on, give me something. Give me something big. So you're going to see a lot of repeats in these packs because it's a very small. What was that? What was that? It's a very small set. There's like 25 cards. There's a couple of secret rares, but it's like 25 known cards. There's a Cosmog, Palkia. We got the Reshiram. And a Mew. What the fuck? Oh my god. That is amazing. What is going on today? Get rid of these. Put this there. This is insane. I'm gonna move everything over. I'm wow. Can we go for the full base set? Can we get a Blastoise and a Charizard? Okay. Kyogre is back. Ooh. We have the Kyogre, a Ho-Oh, Zekrom, and a Zamazenta V. The border is horrendous on that. That is the worst centering I've ever seen on a Pokemon card in my life. That is horrendous. But it's a V. We can't complain. Oh, they're bringing out new ones as well. V-Star, I think. They could be interesting. They could be interesting indeed. Oh, so there's the regular Reshiram. We have a Groudon, Cosmog, and another Mew. We take the Mew, put it in a sleeve. I'll put it on top of its Budski there. Okay, 3 packs remaining. We've already had so many pulls, this is mad. I mean, I was expecting a lot, hence the sleeves, but, I mean, come on. There's something else. There's something else. We have a Lugia. Actually, we'll get rid of the code card first. We have a Lugia, a Zekrom, the Mewtwo EX, and another Surfing Pikachu. What is fucking going on? Let's get that in line. And then we'll get the Mewtwo underneath the Pikachu here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just can't believe these. Okay. Come on. Give me the Mew, or the Charizard, or the Umbreon, and I will be forever grateful to the Pokemon gods, and they will never have to give me anything ever again. So we have a Lugia, a Cosmoem, a Palkia, and another base set Pikachu. This is madness. Like legit madness. Again, the borders are actually really bad on that. Okay, last pack. Have I done the unthinkable and left the worst to the end? Again. We'll see. Can we get Charizard or a Mew? I don't think we're getting a Mew. I think I'd have seen it by now if I were getting a Mew. We have a Groudon, an Yveltal, Kyogre, and a Professor's Research, you know. There was a full art Professor's Research, which I would have loved to have got. However, I cannot complain at what we've got here. So I did actually leave the worst pack to the end. It's the only one I didn't get an actual pull in. So let's just collect these up and see what we got. This is mad. I'm gonna leave these ones here because that was a promo and that was from Darkness Ablaze. So in our celebrations packs we have a Zamazenta V, this full art Reshiram, which is amazing. We have 2 Mew, we have a Mewtwo EX, the Rocket Zapdos, 2 base set Pikachus, a Flying Pikachu VMAX, 2 Surfing Pikachus, and a base set reprint of the Venusaur. I am in love with that. Venusaur is my favourite base Pokemon, so I can definitely go home happy. I mean, I would have loved to have the Charizard, but I will settle for the Venusaur for sure. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me open these celebration packs. If you want to see me open any more, let me know by leaving a like on the video and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.